Hi, good evening everyone. Today is 17 June 2021 and our today's topic is what is Java and what are the features of Java. So basically Java is a high level class based object oriented programming language designed for having lesser dependencies, uh, lesser implementation dependencies. As of 2019, Java was one of the most popular languages used programming languages in according to GitHub. It was most popularly used, and today also it is most popularly used and most popularly used for development and implementation as part of a coding. Uh, Java was basically developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystem. In 1995, Sun Microsystem was in it was released in 1995 as a core programming language of Sun Microsystem. So as of now, we can say that Java was originally developed by Sun Microsystems. So Java is a computing platform of application. Java is a computing platform of application development. So we can see Java is fast, Java is secure, Java is reliable, and therefore it is widely used for development purpose. If if we have learned Java, or if we know all Java, so we can learn any of other languages as soon as possible and easily. So in meantime, yeah, Java applications in laptop, data centers, game consoles, scientific computers, cell phones, etc. As we can see, many of the programs are developed by Java. So we can see the Facebook application also. Facebook application may also be developed by Java. What is Java platform? As of in Java, there is Java platform. Java platform is a collection of programs that help programmers to develop and run the Java programming application efficiently. Uh, it includes an execution engine, a compiler, and a set of libraries in it. So compiler compiles the programs, and it is a set of software and specifications. James Gosling developed Java platform at Sun Microsystem, and after that Oracle Corporation later acquired it. Means now the Java is Java is totally acquired by Oracle Oracle Corporation. Now, what are the features of Java? So, as we can see, Java is simple, Java is easier, Java is fast, Java is easy to learn, Java can understand easily, and it's simple, it's object oriented, it's portable, it's platform environment, it's secured, and it's integrated, it gives a high performance output, it's distributed, it's dynamic, and these all. Uh, so uh, in Java we can see there are JDK. Java is JDK, JRE, and JVM. JVM is a Java virtual machine which converts the bit code into machine language. Okay, so JRE, what is JRE in Java? JRE is a platform that is required to run any program uh, developed by developed in a JDK, or without, as we can see, without JRE we cannot run any program, or JRE is compulsorily required to run a Java program which is coded by a developer. So in Java programming, a person can make a career as a full stack developer. So in full stack developer, what is a full stack Java developer? Full stack Java developer is a person who knows about front end, back end, and database. Which database contains MySQL, back end content JavaScript, front end content HTML, CSS, and front page, as we see on any applications page. So again, what Java? So this is all about Java and its features. Thank you.